Hey, you found my video. Today I'm going to go over the reason why I ultimately returned the Switchplate Controller. Then I will give a quick review just on this controller. Overall, how does it compare to Switch Pro controller? So this is a new channel I just started recently. So I'm trying to grow this channel. So if you like the video, please subscribe to help out the growth of the channel. Alright, so no BS. Let's just start diving in why ultimately is going to return this controller actually today. As you can see, it has joystick issues. Press left, press right, press down, nothing happens. Okay, so ultimately what happened is that I think if you go into the settings, right now I can still control it a little bit by moving the D-pad. So go on to the controller and you go on to calibrate controller sticks. Right now I have issues even entering. Please let me enter. Okay, so I can't enter it at the moment. Okay. All right. So ultimately, you can actually fix it by pressing the program button in the back. So I hold the button in the back, and I'm going to increase the sensitivity of the controller. All right. I'll do it again. I hold in the button in the back. Oh, you have to hold it. Okay. There we go. All right, so I increased the sensitivity of the controllers. Let's see again. Calibrate, motion control. Calibrate controller sticks. There you go. So you see the problem is ultimately, if I press right, I press up, press down, it doesn't go all the way to the outer circle, right? So if I just increase the sensitivity of the joystick one more time, holding the back button and holding up, do it again. You see, it actually does reset. I show you on the screen right now, because I just increased the sensitivity of the joystick. There are 4 levels of sensitivities in the controllers. Yeah. So it seems like right now it's fixed now. If I go back, yeah, it's working. It's all working. But ultimately, why I'm going to return it is because what I have find out is that if I just play it again, a regular sessions, 10-15 minutes, this issue will keep coming back, meaning that I have to reset the sensitivity of the joystick every time, which is kind of annoying, right? I think this besides the hardware issues, it's more of a software glitching that every now and then it would jump back to maybe the lowest sensitivity of the joystick. That being said, there's no way out with these controllers. If this keep happening, it actually does impact my gameplay. So I'm going to return it. But then, other than the joystick sensitivity issues, I do think this is a very good controllers. If I compare to the Switchplate controllers. This is a much smaller in size, but it actually doesn't feel small. It feels very good in hands, and I would say the build quality is actually top notch. I'd say it's more like a first party controller in terms of build quality. I actually do really like the joysticks, the way that it rolls. It's very smooth, just like the Pro controller. The button is also very clicking. Very good. And the D-pad is kind of a low travel kind of D-pad, but ultimately I do like it. I do like the feel of this controller. It's very well built, and it does have 2 buttons in the back. You can reprogram it very easily. It does have gyro support. It has rumble. I actually think the rumble is fine. It's not HD rumble, but right now I'm running at the lowest rumble settings. I do like it. So it's just too bad the joystick sensitivity settings glitch out every now and then jump back to the lower settings, and ultimately give the issues to these controllers. Otherwise, this is a great controllers. Alright, so if you like the video, please subscribe. And in the next video, I'm going to go over this other controller called the Gyro Pro controllers. This is one of the top sellers on Amazon. But I can tell you the buttons and joystick, I probably don't like as much as this one right here, the Switchplate controller. This I actually get it for $26. You know, there's MSRP 33 with the 20% discount on Amazon. So $26 is actually not bad. This is a very rigid controller. It's the kind of feel that, you know, it's probably will never break, and actually feels very good as well. But just comparing the button and joystick, I do prefer the Switchplate controller better. The Switchplate controllers, $39.99 MSRP, selling for $35 at Target right now. So, but that's too bad. It's not even the options. And I'm also going to do a quick comparison to this to another top sellers controllers on Amazon. There's 2 buttons in the back with the Gyro Pro controllers. Actually, I like it very much. Of this back buttons, there's really no complaint with this controller. Sneak peek, right? At $26. What else can you ask? Very good quality. Yeah. All right. So if you liked the video, please subscribe. I will see you in the next video.